Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So, you guys wanted to make your own planet, right? With emojis, which is an easy way of doing it in Ibis Paint X. So, follow the steps in this video and you'll get a perfect planet. So, first of all, you have to open up Ibis Paint and you'll get this. Click on My Gallery. And as you can see, I made some of these planets. So click on new canvas and then you find these many canvases. So click on one, which is the perfect one, and go into layers menu and then change the color whatever you want of the background. So I'll go with blue because I already did one of my planets. And then click on text and click on add text. So you see, have to keep it like, yeah, that's better, 981. So I'll keep an emoji, or you can keep whatever emoji you want. So I already did a melon and like I don't know, this one. So this time I'm gonna do it with this. I know it's kind of big, but how about this? We can use this. You only have to use food emojis. Sorry. Okay, not only food emojis. No face emojis for this. There you go. Much better. Also, don't keep it on full because it might look bad on your art. And then once you're done, you want to, but you cannot. So you see this, right? And then merge layer down. It will be rasterized. So I don't know what this means. So this is completely transparent. There you go. Okay, so once you got to do is to click on special and then make sure this one is here. So you might think it will be a little bit laggy when you do that, but still you'll get a perfect planet. So because of this, you have to drill this so slow that it won't be laggy. You can also do like this, drill it backwards. And then I'm gonna shrink it a little bit so it will be a little laggy. So don't worry. There you go. Then there you go. So you keep the circle layer and just size it to the size of emoji. Okay, now click on eraser. There you go. Now you need to make it look like a circle. Okay, never mind. What is happening? Okay. Now click on another layer, drag it down, and then okay, so you might be thinking, okay, sorry about that, guys. Now once you're done, first Boom. And merge the layers together. And once you're done, turn on this ruler and then click on filter. Make sure you're on the style section. Click on relief. There you go. Make sure the brightness is here and the darkness should be here. It's okay if you keep like this, but the plan will still look bad. You can see these red lines are still there because this is a 3D planner. Hold on, I'll reset this one. There we go. So now you're done. Click on done. There you go. You can save it to your record, guys. You can save it to your gallery if you want. And you might check some of my other arts too. This one is the emoji I use. This one is the watermelon. Never mind, this is something good. So I'll teach you how to make a video on this for like on Saturday. Okay, so I hope you like this video. And make sure to subscribe. Bye. And I forgot about this torso. Okay, so bye.